naka-coat na guys. First time niya sa winter. Today is 12 degrees in Osaka. Nahanap na po namin kung saan kami makasakay ng Panamba, Osaka. Kasi doon po yung hotel namin. Malapit po yun sa Dotonbori. Siya masyado sa kanya ako, tingnan nyo. Pero nagtataka siya bakit daw hanggang tuhod. Sabi ko, hintayin niya hanggang makalabas kami kay mga tao. Parang mga nakakumporter. Nawawala ang mister ko guys. Ayun. Nasa Namba na kami guys. 45 minutes sa train. Yung aming tinahak guys. Pero syempre dito muna tayo sa McDo. Pakainin ko muna to si Nathan kaya maglakad na naman papunta ng hotel 10 minutes. Si Nathan lang unahin natin kasi uwi pa kami. Mag-ano ng mga gamit. Nathan, come here. Shh. Parang kang ano dyan. Enjoying their food daw sabi niya. Siya lang muna no kay McDonald's. Okay, maghanap-hanap pa tayo ng mga kainan mamaya. Mag-snack-snack na lang siya. Mabuti diyan matikman niya. Tell me ha, if the McDo in Japan is so yummy. Sausaw suka man yan. Sausaw suka yan, uy. So happy guys, nakabalik na naman tayo dito. Pero winter na. Diba, last punta po natin dito spring. Yun talaga ang pinaka-perfect na weather. Yung pagpunta namin last time. So, what do you want to see in Osaka?
Mario.
And what else? That's all.
Mario Kart.
Mario Kart for you. How much? Taiwan, wala man nakasulat. Pagkasabi ko kay Daniel kanina na magmakto si Nathan, sabi niya magkain na lang din daw kami lahat kay ano baka hungry na daw. Sabi ko, ha? Andito tayo sa Japan, magkain ako ng McDo? Sinigurado ko lang yan si Nathan kay kanina paghahingi ng pagkain tapos yan lang meron ng McDo, KFC tapos maglakad pa po tayo ng ano, kalay-layo. We're back! Japan! Oh my gosh! Pero mas masaya ako para kay Derich guys na nakapunta po siya dito kahit muntika na siyang hindi makasama. Kaya nag-away kami. Look at that! All the foods in the world. Ano? Lahat ng color pink? Green? Puro green daw guys. Uy, that's moy! So moy! Hindi masyado malamig guys. Tama lang weather. I love it. Straight. Ano yun, nakatingin siya sa screen. Maganda ba, Baby Lap, ang Japan? We go, it's still green. Lawson. Did you miss all the convenience store in the world here, mahal? Iwan na muna natin itong mga gamit to para makabumba-bumba tayo mamaya. Gala-gala natin.
I miss convenience store.
You miss convenience store in the world and the 7-Eleven and the Family Mart. Ito si Nathan, ni-ready ko na to. Sinasabihan ko siya, matulog ka sa aeroplano kami. Para mamaya, matagal ka na naman matulog para makagala-gala kami. Tulog agad siya, oy. Wala lang 5 seconds, tulog agad. May mga parents sila na bike, oh. In fairness. Japan, puno ng vending machine. Sana yung ating hotel. Nagsunod-sunod lang tayo sa ano, paludar leader po tayo kay Daniel. So, what is more yummy? The McDo in Japan, in the Philippines, or in the Netherlands?
The Japan.
Wow! Hindi masyado mabuhay itong street nila dito. Iba pa to siya guys. Kaysa puntahan natin mamaya. Abangan niya ninyo, syempre, kay pupuntahan natin first day, first night, ang Dotonbori. Andito yung hotel natin, kalapit lang sa train. Nako, baka maingay. Baka sobrang ingay niyan guys. Ha?
Sa green, hindi ako namumulima. Sa green.
Sa green? Ay, baka may ano ka sa mata. May something ka sa mata about sa green. Ano bang tawag dyan guys? Ay, naka-green daw siya. Kaganda good ng kulay niya. Kuman ito siya, uy.
Dito lang mo.
Saan?
Dito lang, matas black.
Hintayin mo kay bukas malamig. Baka magsabihin mo, thank you ma, ito ang binili mo.
Mainitan ang sabihin ko.
Hindi daw kailangan mainitan ang pain. Alam kang mamahalin guys. Kaihan Namba Hotel. Yeah?
He gave us pajamas.
Pajamas? Yeah, you have pajama, baby love. And then, we look here. Ay, may bath. Oh, we have a bath. Oh.
We also have a trash can.
My love, this is more deluxe than the last time.
It is a lot more.
Yeah. Gusto ko kasi makatulog kami ng maayos. Alam nyo, bakit ito ang pinili ko? Kasi nung huli na nagpunta po kami ng Japan, guys, hindi kami nakatulog ng maayos. Kikaliit ng kwarto. Tapos isang kama lang po kami. 3 na kami. Sinisipa kami ni Nathan sa gabi.
Together with us. Rare, soft, front, pressure, position. Position?
Yeah, there's position.
Doggy style?
Doggy style. We've got a sink here.
This is for the brushing your teeth.
Grabe ka deluxe, guys.
How was it here? Can you drink the water from the faucet or not?
I don't know.
Big room.
Yeah, this is a big room, huh?
Last time you take the bed
Yeah.
till there. That was the whole room.
Yeah. That's why I got this room, I told them. Because the last time we could not rest properly. Because Nathan is in the middle of us, always kicking us. Hindi kami makatulog. Tapos buong araw lakaran. Kaya ngayon kasya kami ngayon dito,
And
guys.
Darius also has a whole bed. He doesn't have to sleep on the couch.
Yeah.
So,
Are you going now?
who's sleeping where?
No, Nathan needs to be here, mahal. So he won't fall. And then me, and then you, and then Derich. You will sleep with Derich.
I will sleep with Darius.
Maya-maya na nga. 5 minutes, guys. Papahinga siguro eh.
Oh, well,
Ay, grabe.
take a pee. It's heated. My ass is hot.
Yeah, it's heated, mahal. You're in Japan. Na-ignorante ang mister ko. It's heated daw. Ganda ang bed na ito. Kasya kaming lahat dito eh. Hindi ko ipatabi si Nathan kay magsandal ka sa labas, kalamig-lamig, okay ka lang?
Naka-medyas. Baga na medyas.
Tawanan ka doon. Ikaw lang nakasandal sa buong Japan ngayon.
Katawan na yun. Hindi nakapalda ko.
Hindi ba rin siya makamukong sa kanya? Nanibago yan siya kasi hindi siya sanay, guys, ba na mag-coat tapos ang first coat niya mahaba. You also want chicken nuggets? Let's try.
Yeah, it's the same as Philippines.
Share, oy. Dabe?
That's what they usually try to do with the McDonald's.
Yeah, right?
They try to make it the same, but they fail in the
Yeah,
Philippines
it's the
because
same.
everything is dry in the Philippines.
Yeah.
But it's the same.
Yummy, right?
Persona na
Like
nagkakali
baby.
ka mo.
Put the hand towel there
Hmm?
because everywhere else.
Meron tayong fridge. Maliit na fridge. Lagay natin dito yung mga nabili natin sa convenience store.
Can I try?
Huwag ka nang talaga mag-expect na maganda pag picture ko paggabi. Ginapraktisan
Oh,
ko pa.
picture-picturean mo kami, ha?
Ginapraktisan ko pa ang paggabi. Mahirapan pa ako.
Bakit? Ikaw automatic mo.
Yan madali
Siya ang
na.
mag-picture-picture kaya di ba dala
Yan
niya yung
pwede automatic. Dapat naka-manual yan.
pajama kay
Okay, we
Nathan.
can just use the water from the faucet here.
Yeah, we can just drink.
Let's see.
But maybe not for Nathan, mahal. I-try natin to. Siyempre, ipakita ko talaga sa inyo. Ha? Reaction video. Hoy! So hot, mahal! Guys, believe na ako sa Japan. Tingnan nyo ang toilet paper nila. Baka para sa bilahan ito. Kasi manipis. Tapos ito para sa puwit. Dalawa siya. Mahal! I'm so amazed with the Japanese toilet paper. They put 2 toilet papers there. For your lubot and for your kuan. It's different.
Okay, so which one is for which?
It's the other one is very thin. Yeah.
This is the other one.
Yeah.
And how do you turn off the heat?
How do you turn off the heating?
Don't pinch me yan.
You don't like the heating?
I know how to win now.
Okay, let's go now. You pee first, bebe. Ikaw, Rich, mag-reaction video ka.
Ako mag-jacket lang siguro ko yung jacket ko na ano.
Rich, hello! Mag-ayos ka sa buhay mo. Huwag mo painitin ang ulo ko. Dali na, mag-chinilas, mag-jacket na. Ano ka?
My coat is also still here.
Yeah.
I go fast.
No, because it's his first winter coat,
I
mahal.
go fast.
That's why he's not used to it. But why is it hot here?
Yeah, let's see where we can
There.
Now do this. Do this is done.
language.
Kuya Wiljing.
English.
Kuya
Babe, that's also for you. I think you got toothbrush there. Did you open already? Let's see the inside. This is for you, a surprise for you from the hotel. You want to see? What's inside? Oh, look.
Daddy bear
Body sponge.
and
And a slipper.
and this one.
Slipper.
And what is the looking?
And what else? I think that's a toothbrush. What is that?
Glass.
Brush. Blast.
Glass.
Toothbrush. Oh. Reaction video sana. Rich. Bakit? Bakit ka na ganun? Tawag. Paano mag-flash? Ako din. Paano mag-flash? Nag-flash lang siya ng kanya. Mainit, no? Nag-upo ka? Burger.
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, why? No, that's all what he ate. Very sweet.
Mom.
Thank
I
you.
like this.
Are you so happy in Japan? Now, let's go. Oh, let's...
Thank you, Mom. I like this.
Why, mom? I don't like mom. When English, you call me mom.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you. You're welcome. Oy.
Thank you, Mama, for this.
And
One.
Ja, warm. Ga maar plassen.
What's the first food, Daniel?
McDo. Kuya wa, oy, nagpa-sexy man kay wala kami dyan. Mag-ano talaga ito sila, mag-honeymoon mamaya ba? Kay magamit na nila ulit ang kwarto nila, guys. Very good naman. Uy, inayos niya talaga ulit. Okay, mag-alis na kami, guys. Very good. Let's go.
I do this. The
Uy, we're not bringing that.
name and
No, we're not bringing that. Just put it there. That's all for you, okay? Simula na tayo ng lakad, guys. First night, 10,000 steps already. I should wear my Apple Watch. Dinala ko ba yun bukas? Gamitin natin yun. Ay, para matrack.
Para matrack ko ang jogging ko sa Pilipinas.
Para
Hindi mo
matrack.
lang sapatos.
Nagsisi ako na hindi ako nagsuot ng vest, guys. Nagsisi ka.
Na.
Hindi ka nagsuot. O, nalamigan ka na dyan.
Pagkitubyo mo, pwede magsando.
Sorry yan, mga pagkain nila dito. Tingnan nyo, si Nathan, oh. Naiwan nga ang ano, meron pa yun siyang pink na, ano yan, gloves. Naiwan lang. Grabe ka-warm ang dala namin sa kanya. What do you want, my love? May gusto ka, Rich? That's coffee, bebe. We buy later in the convenience store, okay? Punta na tayo ng Dotonbori. Unahan lang daw din kung saan tayo galing kanina. Yung ilaw ng Japan, no? Tingnan nyo, oh. Sabi na masyado, mag-alas 10 na. Pero tingnan nyo ang lighting. Oh my gosh. Hindi ka mamroblema. May 24 hours na Ichiran pa naman dito. What do you think of Ichiran, mahal?
What did you
Ramen in our first night.
We can do that if that's what you want.
Oh, yes.
Where?
There in Dotonbori. They have 24 hours Ichiran here. Karaoke, guys. Oh. Starbucks. Wow! Nakakakilig. Very nostalgic. Ah! That's the right word now, right?
You think so?
I know because we did not go to Osaka before.
Tokyo looks quite different actually.
Yeah. Oh! Here, mahal. Saan ang ano? Ang ano yun? Kumuron Market. You need something for your deodorant. Yeah, you need that, mahal. Kaya manimaho kang pako. Mga muy ano tayo, Unli Wings. Na may nagustuhan kasi yan siya na ano sa Japan, guys, deodorant. Kasi nanap namin sa Netherlands, wala talaga. Dami ring foreigner, no? Ano yun dito, guys? Oh. Yummy. Tingin-tingin lang kayo dyan. Nasa Japan tayo. Wala sa Europe, ha?
Dito lang tayo ngayong gabi.
Sapatos agad. Gabi pa masyado. Sarado na ang mga ano. Bukas ang marami. Kay Soy, sa Tokyo ka magbili. Wag dito. Ay, hindi pala dito kayo para magamit muna. Bukas magtingin-tingin tayo. Pag maaga tayo makauwi. Galing sa puntahan natin.
Nakapanood ah.
Siya lang daw nakap. Oh, tingnan mo. Magtingin-tingin ka dyan. Ngayon, kadami niya nang nakikita. Oh, yan. Oh, nakapalda yan. Kadami niya nang nakikita, guys. Ayan pa, oh. Puro Pinoy man itong mga tao dito, guys. Kasama namin ngayon sa stoplight. Grabe. Ang pagmumura ng mga Pinoy. Malutong silang magmura, guys. Yeah. Yeah, the mochi later. Okay? But first, we will eat. Pinakita ko yan sa kanya na mochi, strawberry, sa TikTok. Nakita niya ngayon, magpabili daw siya. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, kain na muna kami, kay gutom na. Grabe, busy pa din, guys. Anong oras na, oh? Mag-alas 10. Nandito na tayo sa Dotonbori. Grabe, nakikita ko lang po sa TikTok. Ay, I saw it! I'm seeing the man with the running thing. Is there, mahal? Nakikita ko na siya, guys. Ang crap. Oh my gosh, you're here. Saan siya? I think he's there, mahal. Let's go there. In 3, 2, 1. Wow. Huh?
Where are we going?
Here, to the Running Man. You need to be here. That's the Osaka mahal, Running Man. Come here.
Running Man.
Anata. Eh, dali, Rich. Dali ka, Rich. Running Man. 1, 2, 3. Not Rich. 1, 2, 3. Ichiran. Grabe ang ilaw, guys. At ang kabisi, kain pa rin sila, oh, kahit anong mangyari. Pa-snack. Ang isa yung taon, oh. And this one, baby, look! May tinitingnan siya kanina doon na ganyan. What is that? Wow! That is Osaka. May gusto din akong kainin. Alam niyo yung puro seafood siya. Tapos may sea urchin, may lahat-lahat na. Parang ano nila ngayon, guys, garbage. Ano yan? How do you say that, mahal? Garbage day? Kasi yeah. Look at the crab. It's moving. Wow. Dito maganda mag-picture, Rich. Oh, ramen, mahal. Ay, this is the best ramen daw here. Very local. I saw this. This one is a good ramen to, mahal. This one is also a good ramen. This one is very local. All the Japanese are going there. Ano yan? Ice cream, oh. Yung ice cream na nakadikit. Are you enjoying Japan, everyone? Makakilig. No, yeah, Ichiran. This one. Ichiran. Salamat na lang. Alam nyo, ilang minutes ang waiting time? 70 minutes. May bata. Last time nga, yun? Mga parang 3 hours ang hintay namin, guys. Kaso yung time na yun, may inupuan kami na restaurant. Kaya okay lang ngayon. Kaya talaga kami magpila. Nakita ko na ang mga wagyu, guys. Ayun, oh. Balikan natin yan. Hindi pa rin kami makadecide saan magkain. Dito na tayo. Yan na. Yan na talaga, sure na. Yeah, this is the one I want. Nag-imagine na ako. Sarado na. Huh? Guys, let's get this. Nahulog tayo dito sa sushi. Dito na lang tayo. Kain, everyone. Ating toyo. Alas 10:30, magsarado na sila, guys. So, kailangan natin magdali-dali, no? Ano na ngayon, 10:10. Sinatan, kumain naman yan. Pwede. Ano wasabi? It's like sardines. There, the wasabi. At that's the orchin, guys. Look. I want to try this. Look, guys. With salmon, shrimp, and si Derek ayaw kumain. Sa labas, magkano yan siya mag-beef. Yung mga ano nila doon, steak. At saka may takoyaki. Busog daw siya. Yummy? Is it good? What's that?
I know it's slimy.
Look at that, si Orchin, everyone. Yeah, you want one? No, I don't want anymore. Gusto ko mag-beef sa labas. It's done, we're done. Thank you. Meron silang crab, guys. Ayoko na. 3 lang ang ubos ko. Ayan o, 3 plato. How about you? You eat a lot. I want beef outside my lab. My lab, how much did you pay?
Checking out.
No, the yen.
Yeah, 2,050.
Oh, not bad. Ano siya, medyo dry ang... Medyo dry. It was a little... I
Still
think
not the
because...
same? Yeah, because we were late.
Yeah, we were late. Hindi na
Still
siya,
not the same
ba,
as the
bagong
one in
gawa.
the Tamiya's factory.
You really want to go there, ha? Do you still like Japan? And tomorrow? Where are we going tomorrow? Where are we going tomorrow? Say it! To? What do you want now? What do you want to eat? Do you want barbecue? What is that? Wagyu beef?
What is that?
That is a man that is very angry
My
because iring gigapos.
wife is very angry.
I don't know. Let's see. Look at that, guys. He's angry. How was the face of the man? How do you do that? Try to do it. The face.
I don't know.
Like this. Look at mama. Ikaw na ba?
No.
You cannot. Adaming Pinoy.
I can just have one bite.
Yeah, from me. Wagyu, you really need to try the... Wagyu, not the Wagyu, the takoyaki, mahal.
Super deluxe you need.
I want you to eat takoyaki here. No, in Ueno. There's a super old guy there and super old
Do
store.
you take Rufer?
Sa Tokyo. Yan tayo, sa deluxe. One skewer is 1,500 yen. Dalawang in order namin. Ayan yung order natin, guys. Oh, Wagyu beef. Pero yan ba, dapat makainan talaga natin yan. Local masyado siya. Ang kumakain talaga, guys. Puro Japanese. Yan yung ramen na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Nakita ko lang din sa TikTok. 24 hours, 7 din nata. Yan siya. With wasabi. Look at that. You first, my love. First bite for you. Yeah, wasabi. Ang isa nag-enjoy doon. Still very hot? Good? Sarap? Anong kaibahan? Salty? Agoy, salty daw. Pero masarap. Malambot. Is it salty, mahal?
It is definitely salted, but I don't mind it.
Okay. Maalat masyado. As in. Grabe. High blood. Nasira sa asin ang ating pawagyu. Grabe talaga. As in, parang ninudlot. Parang nagpuntahan sila, guys. Mga foreigner. Look, baby love, what is that? A robot? Look.
Maybe it's very bad.
You go there, you go
Maybe
there.
not, but
What is that?
Later na.
What is that? Punta na po tayo sa mochi ni Nathan. What do you want,
Mama,
Which one? The mochi or just the strawberry with sugar?
I want the ice cream.
Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Walang ice cream.
Mama,
It's so cold, baby love. And then you get ice cream.
and that I got a machine.
In the machine?
Yeah. A machine.
Mochi?
And candy.
Mochi candy, okay. That one you want? You don't want mochi mochi?
Mochi is like or not?
He saw that with the children.
I want it.
Okay, nakita mo kasi yan sa children, ha?
Where you winner?
Wow, look at that, guys. Ito daw kanya. Wala ng grapes. And the mochi mochi. And tomorrow you get mochi mochi, ha? Okay? Today is the strawberry. Wow. Now, is it yummy? Let Kuya Derich try. Ayaw mo. Louis Vuitton?
Just think this, you put in the machine what you want and you pay.
Ah.
You get the Louis Vuitton.
Okay. Guys, ang daming mga lasing dito ba na mga bata pa. Nashock lang ako kung kanina may sinasampal yung isa doon. Na lalaki din. Nabuli na. Ibang-iba siya sa Tokyo. Oo. Ibang-iba po siya. Kahit si Daniel may nagsabi daw niyan sa internet. Iba siya. Parang mas, para sa akin, parang mas ano po ang Tokyo. Mas, mas relax. Kahit marami siyang tao, pero sa ibang lugar siguro. I think in Shinjuku, mahal. To where the bars are. Oo. Huwag masyado tayong judgmental. No? Pero si Daniel din kasi may nabasa daw internet. Na iba daw talaga sa Osaka. Kesa sa Tokyo. He wants to enjoy it. Let him enjoy, mahal. You want to try?
It's just sugar. You didn't get.
Yeah, you need to bite to get the strawberry. Try it. Try the strawberry. Like that. Yummy or not? Hindi na siya makapagsalita. Ang maniniyot po. Yung Japan kasi kami last year, wala ako masyado nakita ng mga mga bata na lumalabas ng gabi. Ngayon dito marami. Sa Osaka, yan yung napansin ko.
Strawberry was so yummy.
Very sugary.
Yeah, very sugary. You want more? No, stop na, baby. Baka magsuka na ba? Maybe you'll puke, mahal. Oh, convenience store in the world. Go inside, baby. Grabe ba? Kay parang ang gahabo sa kanya, 13 years old. Kabilis magtakbo. Nagabulan sila ng kuya niya, guys. Andito na tayo sa hotel. Ito na yung hotel namin. Kaihan Namba Hotel. Go inside. It's already 11. Gising pa ito. Oh. Oh, you still need to...
Kuya and Daddy and not you.
Yes, okay. And then you still need to brush your teeth and use your teddy slippers and your pajama. And then we show them na guys. Show us.
Mama,
That is so beauty.
this for take.
Excited na din masyado mag-toothbrush.
This is for taking shower.
Yeah, you want to take shower now?
Huh?
Tan, where did you put it?
Here. For take shower.
Okay. Ni Nathan, this is for Nathan. He chose that, guys. Yes, but not now, huh? Not now.
Okay, here.
Not there, not there. Just
Where?
here. And then me, I got the jasmine tea.
Look
And
that.
then Papa got the chips. Look, guys. Jasmine tea for Papa. And for Kuya Derek and Nathan, milk. And
Yay! Milk. And chips. I want chips also.
Kuya Derek got the tuna mayonnaise. He wants to try the onigiri from the Lawson. Grabe, maglabas na, guys. Beer? What is it?
That is for Papa beer.
Yeah, beer.
For Papa.
And a tea for Papa. Earl Grey tea
For you.
for Papa, baby. Maglabas na.
Mama,
Po?
I love you.
Ay, naka. Uy, why? Why do you love me so much, baby?
I have two things that I can try.
Oh, yeah. What do you want to try? But not now, huh?
Yes.
Not now. Tomorrow.
But
Pasok na natin to sa ating maliit na fridge.
You see that?
Guys, hindi nyo man kami sinabihan. Ganyan pala ang ano, ang mga saksakan dito sa Japan, guys po. Ano kami mag-charge ngayon? Uy, nag-oo pa si Papa. Wait lang. O sige na, bakit man tayo maghintay kay Papa na dito man tayo mag-toothbrush? Tingnan nyo ang pajama.
Grabe.
Suot yun ang pajama. Tapos ang ano kalaki. Baka ganyan talaga.
Ikaw.
Dali na, you try it. The best milk in the world. The milk of Japan.
Best.
Nag-inom na din ang kuya niya. Dobby, let me try a little.
Let me try.
Wow. I love it.
I love it too.
So creamy, huh?
I love it.
Yeah, it's almost 12. You're still awake. What is this in Japan? What are you doing?
Yes. If
Are you happy here?
I drink so many milk.
Now you drink now. Hindi ako mahal. I cannot really, nag-beer na ang mister ko. I cannot really poop because of the seat ba. It's like, I am feeling the seat and then my poop is not going out. How?
Because it feels like somebody else was sitting on there for so long that it's hot.
Sige, Dory, suotin. It's super big pajama, Mal. Are you also wearing it?
No.
Look at him. The pajama and the... Patingin na Rich? Duster. Kuyawa, uy. Mura magmamasak.
Hello, everyone.
Oh, yeah, this one. The favorite deodorant.
Because no smell.
Maybe you should buy a lot, mahal.
I bought 2 now. I was thinking I can buy more later.
Yeah, I will buy two because
Yeah.
Smell, but
How
it's
many
strong
did
smell
you
and then no smell for
buy?
the rest of the day.
How
Only
many?
2 now.
No, one for Derich.
I forgot my deodorant.
One for you and one for Derich.
But you know, if I use deodorant like
But it is a roller though.
if I use
So
the
yummy.
deodorant like that,
Yeah.
I can use I can stay. I can go for a week without using that, and I won't smell it.
Yeah, just like me. He got it from me, mahal. Got me, mahal.
so
1 month
you-
or 2 months.
What you're saying is in the
Isa lang.
Philippines, what you're saying is in the Philippines where it's more than 30 degrees, you do 1 roll a week and then a whole week you will not even take a shower and
Even
you
if
won't
I
smell.
no
He
You
got
should
that
be
from
taking
me.
showers.
no,
You're
but
not
the
washing.
roll.
Of course, he will take shower. But he got that from me,
Even if I
guys.
sweat,
Ganyan ako.
even if I sweat, I
Hindi ako
don't get the
naglalagay.
smell here because I just
I will
roll
only
away.
put if there's party, yung feeling ko makabahan ako.
Ganyan lang dito ko.
Yung pag may party, kung wala din, walang lagay, pero walang amoy. Amoy mo rin meron. Pero si Derich, wala talaga siyang amoy, guys. Kahit yung amoy lalaki, mabango masyado si Derich. Sino man ang mag-girlfriend? Awag ko muna. Ayoko mag-girlfriend siya, kaya mag-pilot pa ito. Hindi na ito mag-girlfriend, kaya mag-pilot ba yung anak ko, guys. So, guys.
Uncle.
Dugay ba kayo naman?
Okay. Mati.
Magtrabaho pa ako instructor.
Molo pa.
Magtrabaho pa ako ng corporate
Para maging pilot.
para maging airline. Kaya ang kailangan ko na oras 1,200. Pero makatrabaho na ako yung mga instructor, yung corporate, yung mga maliit lang kung aeroplano. Yung parang may private plane, yung mga ganyan. Package.
Manood na lang talaga muna kayo ng mga vlog namin at don't skip the ads, guys. Kaya dito
Pero wala
lang yan
naman
mapunta,
bayad yan,
oh.
Basta maka-instructor na ako.
Wala
Kunyari,
naman yan.
instructor na ako, yung estudyante na magbayad sa akin. Nagsakay lang ako doon, habang nag-aakyat ang oras ko, kung magbayad siya sa akin.
Mag-pilot talaga siya. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Don't skip the ads. Utang na loob. Kaya may pinapaaral akong mag-pilot daw siya. Kalaki ng problema ni Derich. Sabi niya,
But I can just unlock it
Hoy.
outside.
sabi niya pa ba? Uy, sabi niya pa, Ma, how can we take a shower here? Kaya takot siya makita daw. Tapos pinapasok niya si Daniel kung makita ba siya. Hindi ba siya makita. Tapos pagpasok niya, wala daw lock. Nangamba siya, guys. Kay baka buksan ko kay para makita ang kanyang tintin.